So good morning all, it's been a while since I did something like this. Today is sort of the first holidays for the New Year break. So I decided I'm going to tackle a few things around the Odaiba area. Yeah, you may recall in one of my previous videos I did mention that TeamLab's second exhibition called TeamLab Planets is around this area, which I haven't checked out yet. I went to Borderless twice, it was great both times. So I'm hoping Planets is as good, if not better than that. You know, in addition to that, there are some fireworks display this evening. And there's also some nighttime illuminations nearby in a place called Shiodome. That's all my plans for the day. I haven't quite figured out what to do between Planets and fireworks display yet, because there's about 5 or 6 hours in between that. We'll find out. Okay, so the best way to get to Planets is actually through Toyosu. But one thing which I didn't realize when I booked the tickets for the day is that the biggest fan-made manga convention called Comiket is on today. And Toyosu is one of the major transport hubs into the Odaiba area. So yes, that's going to be very packed today. So I stopped at one slightly further away. It's about a 20-minute walk, and yeah, it involves crossing this bridge, and I'm pretty tired out already. I haven't even reached there yet. And it's only the start of the day as well. Now I'm hoping it's not too crowded at the moment, because I booked the early morning session, but this being Japan, it's almost always crowded. A lot of fun. So while it's fresh in my mind, let's give it a bit of a comparison between this and Borderless. Now this one I felt was a bit short. I was pretty much done in about 30-40 minutes. Then again, with Borderless I went with other people. This one I was alone. I'm guessing if I was with other people I probably would spend a bit more time in there. Now what I do like about this place is that they control the number of people going through it. So it doesn't feel too crowded. And the thing with Borderless is that it's mostly visual arts. This one is a bit more of a sensory experience, so you have to go through it barefooted. So you got one that you're sort of knee deep in water, warm water I might add. That was really nice. Then you got things like carpet, like a beanbag area, which is pretty cool. Between the two, I think I prefer the experience of this one more, but I feel like I got more out from Borderless. I felt Borderless probably had more exhibits as well. So you want to take your time, experience more. Borderless is probably it, but you want sort of a better experience, I'll probably say Planets. Okay, so now we're heading to Toyosu Market, which is the replacement site for Tsukiji Market. Now I've been here once before, I made the mistake of not checking the opening date. Well, I arrived at the site of the fish market, but I was wondering why there doesn't seem to be many people around, and I kind of figured out why. This place is supposed to be closed on Sundays. Oh shit. Yeah, don't come on Sundays. Okay, so I'm starting off the market area by going to the roof first. So there's a little garden area that doesn't seem to be many people here. Not too sure whether many people even know about this place. I mean, today is quite crowded. I've been walking past a whole bunch of people, but everyone went straight inside and I went straight to the roof, so. Okay, so the market was pretty cool on the inside. Yeah, the outside doesn't look that inviting, but inside's definitely not bad. It's just a pity you can't quite walk around the market area itself apart from the fresh seafood section, which I felt was probably the best part of the whole market. You're not allowed to take any photos or videos in there, so keep that in mind. Restaurants, way too packed, didn't even bother. Right now we're going to walk past Comiket. I want to see how busy it is. If it's not too busy, I might have a peek inside. So that was quite fun. A lot of people as expected, but it was nice that the costume area is actually outdoors, so I don't actually fight the crowds to get in. Took a bit of video, but then I realized that you're not actually meant to be taking photos or videos without the permission, so I stopped that. Had a quick lunch. Now it's about 2 o'clock. I think the fireworks display starts at 7, so I got about another 4 to 5 hours to kill. Let's go to the science museum. Well, shit. Guess I need to come up with another plan now. Yeah, so there's an onsen place in Odaiba, so I thought I'd check it out while I'm killing a few hours. I'm back. So that was nice and warm. Bit on the pricey side and a bit too small for the number of people that were there. I went to one a couple of weeks ago near Mount Taco, which I think was a lot better and a lot cheaper. This one I think is almost 30 US just for the onsen alone. But the cool thing about this is there's more than just the onsen. There are food baths, a whole bunch of restaurants and games as well. But most of the games and food cost extra money, so be prepared for that. Now it's about 4:30, I think. Fireworks starts at 7, so I still got another 2.5 hours to kill. I'm just gonna walk over to some of the malls now, look for something for dinner, and hopefully I can just wander about for an hour and figure out something to do. Hey, I forgot there's a Gundam statue here. I wonder they're gonna have some lights up event soon. They usually do.
이거 생겼고. 오, 그래. 还有什么？对对。
Well, that was amazing. It was short, 10 minutes only, but no, quality over quantity, I'll say. I think I prefer that one over the Sumida one in July, but then again, I watched that one from afar. This one's up close, but this one seems to have a lot more variation. So yes. Anyway, that's it from me for Odaiba for today. I am going to Shiodome right now for another night illumination thing, but you'll see that in another video. So, you know, thank you all for watching. Hope you guys have a good day. I'm looking forward to get back to my apartment to warm up. It's been a freezing day. It's great day into the onsen. Anyway, see you guys later.